Welcome back to the Weston
and Layla show.
Today, we're going to be making a leprechaun trap.
See, so here's slime, here's some yellow stuff, and here's some candy right here, and here's some rope, and here's some 2 glitters, and here is some pokey stuff, and here's some stats, and here's a bag, and here's these leaves, and this is tape, more of these stuff, and some scissors, and this rope, and this, I don't know what it's called, but that, and this, and this, and this, and this, and this, and some gold, and some glitter.
Let's catch ourselves a sneaky little leprechaun.
We don't know what a leprechaun looks like, so tomorrow
we're gonna find out.
Yeah, we're gonna go outside and then come in.
We're expecting that it looks like all the pictures in the, with the green hats, sometimes the oranges, bushy beards.
I never heard
pots of gold.
I never heard of a leprechaun, so I don't know this. So I don't know. So we need to tomorrow so we can see a leprechaun. Because we never see a leprechaun before.
Okay, so let's just jump into this and make the leprechaun trap. Okay, so I have this idea that we can make a trap for him, like it's a hotel, like a leprechaun's hotel. 5 stars.
And then when she goes in, the leprechaun
like
hotel,
when he goes in there, he'll get caught in the slime or whatever we put there for the trap.
And then he can't spot, and then he can't get out. And then in the morning, when it turns morning, we're gonna come outside. We're gonna come outside, go in we're in right now, and then we come in here, and then we'll see the leprechaun. I'm so excited to see a leprechaun because I never.
Okay, we're opening up the glitter. Let's see how this is.
Oh, this feels so soft. Like we can play with it, but we can't. Only the slime.
It isn't the best slime, but it's still pretty good. It's jiggly.
Go check out the other the video. We're gonna sit down a few weeks on the slime video. It's gonna come out really.
Yeah, there's a secret slime video coming out next week.
You guys wanna smell it?
Smells jiggly. Okay, we have this really good plan that this is gonna be slightly open with a popsicle stick hanging right here, and maybe another one right here.
And gold, there's gonna be.
Wait, let me explain. So then there's gonna be a string attached to it, and we're gonna make it attached to the top, and then it's gonna be right here, and then the leprechaun is gonna come inside, and he's gonna grab onto there, and then this will pull it from over here, and then it'll pull down the popsicle sticks, and then this will shut.
But my idea is like this, and then it's open, and then the gold's holding down with a rope, and the tape is holding the rope, and then when she pulls it down, and then it's gonna shut, and then he's gonna go in there. That's my idea.
Well, that's like the same. So how about we just do my idea? So we're gonna try and make it look like a 5-star hotel for the leprechaun, because I mean he's probably traveling so much. He just needs a place to stay. So
we are gonna write. course he's gonna eat the candy. I think so. And then he's gonna grab onto the money, and then he's gonna
Oh, you mean? Oh, I thought you were.
eats that, and then he like pulls the money down, and then he goes in the trap. I'm so excited.
He falls for Fakel. Oh, it stays open. It stays open. Okay.
Actually, Weston's trap is really nice.
Okay, that's good.
Oh, I know what you mean. Like you pull the fin down. You like.
Okay,
pull
so
that.
yeah, there's gonna be string attached to here that's gonna be attached to the roof somehow. Then there's gonna be some gold right here, and then he's gonna grab on it. Then this will fall, and then it'll close.
That's what we're expecting. This is how you see it, see? It's like that. Well, this one is fun, but they don't have reds right here because they're supposed to be green because it's green day, because it's almost Patches Day. How are we gonna see the leprechaun?
We're gonna see it tomorrow.
No. How can we? How are we gonna see it? Like see it? Because it's gonna be shut, and then if we open it, he's gonna escape.
Trust me, Layla. He's gonna be trapped in goo. That's slime, remember?
And then he can't get out. But once we open it. like a money jar. It's like a money jar, guys. See?
We're trying to figure out a way to hang the gold for the leprechaun to get it, and then it'll close.
We don't know what a leprechaun looks like, so we have one today.
Actually, tomorrow, because he's gonna come. Because he's afraid of people. He'll get scared. Welcome to our Leprechaun Hotel, 5-star. It's very nice. It's definitely not a trick. And anyways, so this is it.
Yeah.
This is our trap. It's pretty cool. I think it is.
You
As you can see, there's the pot of gold. There is the little, you know. Okay, so how this works is
We know they like gold and peppermint.
and then there's a rainbow ladder, which they love rainbow. So they'll climb up the rainbow ladder, and then, oh look, there's gold, jump for it. And then this will plop down because those are gonna fall from the wave. And then he's gonna get trapped in the slime down there.
And then we can get to see him.
In the morning.
So awesome, guys.
Let's see what we're gonna catch in this leprechaun trap on our next video.
Please like
Subscribe to our channel, comment down below, and we'll see you guys later.
on the Weston and Layla Show.